Pass to the big man, Hayes inside, using the body. No good. Rebound by the big Pass to the big man, Danny High. Now good. Rebound by Hayes. Yes, good. Marissa back to Bucky's pass to Marissa. Back to number 6. The long ball three. Now good. Rebound by High. Outside of offering wrist.
Andoy.
Silvercano, pass to Miller. The veteran started by Udana. Miller inside. That's good. Udana driven ball. Back to East. Back to the big man inside. That's good. The ball for a PGA. Pass to the veteran Miller. Miller to Hayes, speed on the pass. No good. Rebound by Bucky's. Bucky's are now with number 1. Pass to Montana. Pass to number 6 with a long ball. No good. Rebound by Danny High. Pass to Warren Fingers. Fingers is coming out the ball. So inside. First one. Gargano pass to Ryan. Pass to the big man on lane for 2. Low good. Rebound by Warren Fingers. Rebound there. The second leg. Look at the power of the boys. Udana pass to the center. Back to Udana. Udana. Starting back to Udana. Inside. Pass to the teammate. It's given by Vanessa. Gargano, pass to Ryan Aranya, to Morin, back to Aranya, second lagi to Aranya, inside to big man Morin, it's given by Morin. Udana pass to Everett, back to Udana, pass to Vanessa, started by Warren Fingers, Logan, with Mawai, Cyrus Wado. Morin, that's an offensive back. Udana, the E1 defense of Udana shot, no good. Ryan Aranya behind the ball. Ryan, we go down Aranya, inside, side step. Look at that. Mentality of Ryan Aranya.
Bilis. Hindi ko ata nakuha yun.
1 minute, 10 seconds. Inside. No good. We'll give a rebound. Cyrus Wado coming over the pass to Dago. Ryan Aranya. Pass to Udana. Udana for 3. No good. Real by Udana. Pass to the veteran. Speedy by Buffett. Praise good. Praise good.
61-76.
Praise good. Cyrus, pass to Ryan Aranya, the Aranya, the shot, no good. Rebound by a big man. Roll for 3, yes sir. Number 1 for 3 points. Number 1. Okay, slide, yes, hit it.